How you doing? You get the Boston Trucker with you. This message is for over-the-road truckers and the family of over-the-road truckers even more. You know, I grew up in over-the-road trucking. My dad ran the road. I ran the road for 20 years. I'm local now, but it's still deep in my heart every day. And, you know, what do truckers do when they're running the road? They do all they can do to get that load there on time. Never mind sleep, never mind weather, never mind their health. And a lot of truckers, unfortunately, have emergencies on the road with their health. Well, some of them even pass away. They're in a truck stop, they die in their bunks, and you know, it's heartbreaking. And you know, I watched my dad have a few emergencies over the road. I had a couple. And what do? You're out there all alone. Who do you contact? Who does your family contact to get your loved one home? Let's say they pass away. I mean, it happens. It happens. Truckersfinalmile.org. That's who you contact. It's 100% nonprofit charity. They're there to help you and your loved ones come up with a plan to get your family member care on the road or to get your deceased loved one home. Go to the website, truckersfinalmile.org. You can read letter after letter of people thanking them and telling their stories, and it happens more often than you think. And you know, they do accept donations, of course. It's just a couple people, really. It's not a big organization. It's a couple people with big hearts that are there for you and your family. Hopefully you'll never have to contact them, but it happens. And it's something we should all think about and be thankful that they're out there. Like I said again, truckersfinalmile.org. Check them out. Tell them the Boston Trucker sent you. Don't tell them. It doesn't matter. I'm just spreading the word. And be safe out there. Take care of your health, number one. No load is worth your life. Be safe out there. Have a safe winter. Boston Trucker.